producers! Today, we are going to fill my bathtub with gooey black slime. That's right, it's gonna be this gooey, kind of transparent, but not really looking slime. It's gonna be pretty cool. So, first things first, you want to fill your bathtub with water, which I did. Next up is probably gonna take a little bit of time. Grab some guar gum right here, G-U-A-R gum, and use a strainer while you pour it into the bathtub like this. You want to make sure you pour it evenly. That way the water will have this little thick consistency over time. To make this process go a little bit faster, grab your hand mixer and just mix it while the other person pours some guar gum. Here we go. Yeah! That you have a little bit of adequate portions of the guar gum, all you want to do now to make it a black gooey goo is to add some black food coloring. So here we go. There you go. It says slime. Okay, mix it up. Woo! The next step is you want to add some liquid starch. In this case I have Staflo, and while you do that you want to constantly put it slowly while mixing it at the same time. So ready when you are. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so if everything is mixed in properly, the slime should look exactly like this. And the way it's texturized, it kind of looks like one of those Marvel superhero, like dinosaurs giving birth to a monster birth waters. Here we go. It kind of looks like this, which is pretty awesome. It's transparent in a way where you can kind of see right through it, which kind of looks really cool. It's a different kind of slime, which is pretty awesome. Look at that. Ooh. If you didn't notice, I changed my clothes because I didn't want my other clothes to get dirty. Wow, look at this. Look how crazy this is. Look how crazy this looks! What kind of slime is this? That is awesome! It kind of looks like a monster, like an gooey, blobbery monster. Ah! Woo! If you ever have the opportunity to make this slime, do it. Get some guar gum, liquid starch, and some water, some food coloring, and you get this kind of slime, which is pretty unique. I guess I gotta go in now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Whoa, no way! No! Whoa! No! No! It's taking me under! There's a bubble! Look, there's a bubble right here. There's a slime bubble right here. This feels so weird. It's like thick and heavy, but slimy at the same time. Look at that. Look at my head! Whoa! 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 This is so cool. This is so cool, look at it. Whoa! Whoa! It's just like a wall of like super slime. Whoa! Look at this. Wow! Oh, it kind of feels like an octopus ink, except it's giving birth at the same time. It's this weird feeling. It's really fun to play with, but it's like extremely weird as well. This is so cool. Wow, I don't know what to say about this. Wow. I wonder what's underneath here. So here we go. Diving in. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was kind of cool. I'm gonna do it again. one of the cleaner slimes, even though slime's really messy. This thing kind of cleans off really easily. Usually when I put slime in my hair, it sticks to my hair. In this case, it kind of slides right off. See? I don't even know if this is good for my skin, but this feels great. This feels amazing. Wow, look at this jiggle. Woo! Woo! Alright guys, so this is called the Gooey Black Slime Cannonball. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was the most goopy cannonball ever. Did it fall down? Anything spill out? Nothing spilled. What? Let me do that again. That was so cool. 3, 2, 1. What? That is so weird. What? It doesn't want to get out of the bathtub. Yeah, it really doesn't. This is weird. It kind of like pulls itself back slowly. I'm just so shook right now. Just how clean this is. All right, here we go. This is the diving slime. Michael Phelps, this goes out to you. Here we go. The back breaststroke. This is so crazy. Just doing that by itself is just so crazy. Like this wall of slime is just insane. What? Let me see if I can make a slime ball. Here we go. Slime ball. This is the most I can do. This is crazy. Here we go. Slime ball. That is crazy. Don't mess with the Batman. Don't mess with the Batman. Oh, hi. Welcome to Guava Juice. Bro, I'm just so, I keep saying this, but I am so amazed how gooey and goopy this is. Like, this is more like goopy slime than anything. It just kind of goops down. Look at that. This is honestly the cleanest mess I've ever done in my bathtub. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's clean, but it's not. It's really easy to clean. See, look at this, and then it's gone. It's just crazy how crazy this thing works. All right, let me just move around and see how this thing moves. See, look. See? Look at that. It's all goopy and crazy at the same time. Look at that. You can see the bottom of it. Check that out. That's how goopy this thing is. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Look at that. This is the most craziest slime I've ever done in my bathtub. This is straight up fun. I don't know if I suggest to do it. Even if you jump down, it doesn't even splash you. And then you get back up, and you're just clean. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, the slime monster is eating me. Oh my gosh, the slime monster is eating me. No! I'm just kidding, I'm okay. Oh, this is so fun. You guys want to see big bubbles? Check this out. If you want to make big bubbles, grab here, go up, create that airflow, and then put it up like this. And keep going until a big bubble kind of forms. Don't worry guys, I'll get there. There's one. Found one. There's a big bubble right here. There's another one right here. Wow, this is kind of great. Oh. What's up? Alright, well, anyways, thank you all for watching today's video. This slime was really cool. If you want me to do more of this kind of slime, comment down below. I'm out of breath. This thing took a lot of energy. Alright, anyways, stay juicy. Gotta clean up, gotta shower. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye, my guava juicers. Stay juicy.